I'm the Vishri of Class 9A. I'm here to explain our project. Our project name is dielectric generator. Firstly, we have used an handle, DC motor and a LED bulb connector with it. In the DC motor, a permanent magnet is fixed and a coil is present as a protective layer around the DC motor. When we start rotating the handle in the DC motor, a permanent magnet is fixed and it starts rotates and it secretes a magnetic energy which then flows into the coil, and it is converted into electrical energy and the electricity is produced. So only when we start rotating this, the LED bulb will start to glow.
This type of generator is almost used in all industrial fields and commercial fields. It is also used in hospitals and medical fields during the time of emergencies and in almost all household appliances. Thank you.